2004 BMW 5 Series. Cluster not working. Also, there's no radio. Screen not turning on. Did not have any entertainment system. The iDrive wasn't working. The display had no radio, and all this was completely off. So what I did is I replaced on these models. This is 2004 BMW 5255 is the 5 Series. It comes with this module. It's called a mask. And other other BMWs, they have a triple CCC unit, and this is something similar, but this is called a mask, MASK, and this is a more basic system than the triple C. It's a smaller screen, and we just replaced this unit module. I got it from a local junkyard, and it cost $15. And it says something about a unit not being coded, but as you can see, still radio working, and they have some messages. And I'm using this to about it. The screen is a little damaged, but it's working now. So I also replaced the screen. That's the original one. I got it from a junkyard too. But after I replaced the unit, both screens work. So if you're having that problem, it's gonna be the unit, not the display. But in some cases it can be your screen not working. If you have audio and don't have visual, maybe it's the screen that you need to replace. They're like $15-$20. And I thought this needed to be programmed, but I just install it, and you have radio, and it's not too complicated. You only have to remove this trim, goes all the way over there, and then you have access to this plastic cover right here. You pull it all the way to here, you pull it, and then there's two screws for the radio behind the plastic cover. One here and one over here. Somewhere around here there's only two screws, and you can also remove this part, which is only clips. You don't need any special tools. Just pull everything out here, disconnect everything in the back, this is the unit. It's only a big connector. It has two antennas, one here and one here. Then put the new one or whatever, and that's what I did on this car, and it's working now. Also, the cluster wasn't working, so we did the same. We put another cluster, paid $19 for it, and it works now. So this is a 2004 BMW 5 Series E60 with no radio, and problem is fixed now.